In today's video, I'll show you how to edit audio in Canva, including adjusting volume, trimming clips, and lining everything up perfectly with your visuals. First, open Canva and create a video or presentation design. Audio editing works best in timeline-based projects, so avoid static document formats. Once your canvas opens, go to Uploads and upload your audio file, or head to Elements and search under Audio to use Canva's built-in music library. Drag your audio onto the timeline at the bottom. You'll now see it as a track across your project. To adjust the volume, click on the audio track and look at the top toolbar. You'll see a volume slider. Lower it if it's overpowering voiceovers, or increase it slightly if it feels too quiet. If you're using background music, keep it softer than spoken content for a professional balance. To trim your audio, click the track and drag the edges inward on the timeline. This lets you cut off unwanted intros or endings. If you want to clip a specific section from the middle, position the playhead where you want to split the audio, then use the split option in the toolbar. Delete any unwanted section and close the gap so your audio flows smoothly. You can also drag the entire audio track left or right to line it up with specific slides or visuals. Always preview your project after adjustments to make sure everything feels natural and synced. When you're done, click Share and download as MP4 to keep the edited audio embedded in your final video. And that's it. You now know how to adjust volume, trim, and clip audio tracks in Canva like a pro.